Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I created this silver lining design, and thanks to my cute little follower who named it. So the polish that I'm featuring is this navy polish called My Favorite Gal Pal, and then I'm also using OPI Funny Bunny. So I did about 4 coats of that. So I'm going to show you how I got it matte. So then I'm going to come in with my shiny top coat from Glisten and Glow. Jill, the founder of the company, messaged me and said to get a longer lasting mani, you're going to do first the shiny top coat and then the matte top coat on top. So now I'm going to come in with the matte top coat. I'm going to put that on evenly and to make sure I'm getting all the corners so no shiny places get through. And then I'm going to let that dry completely till it is matte. Once that's dry, I'm going to come in with the SE No Place Like Chrome. I really like that chrome polish, and I love how the chrome stands against the matte. But I'm going to use this striping brush from Winstonia, and I will link all the products below. And I'm just going to do a little swoop down the side to the middle, and then I'm going to start at the bottom and come meet in the middle, and then just really perfect that line. And I did get this idea on Pinterest. I don't know the name of the person who created it, so I cannot give them credit, but I did not come up with this design. I was looking at a picture, and feel free to look at my design picture too so you can see how to do it. And then I'm just going to come on the bottom and do a little arc. As you can see, I'm not super smooth at that, and that's okay. You can just go in and smooth out that line and get it the way that you want to. It's okay. You don't have to be super perfect the first time that you do it. You just want to take your time and be slow and just go over any spots after it's dried. If you go over it when it's not dry, it'll mess it up a little bit. And that's the final look. So simple and easy, you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it and if you're going to try it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.